বন্ধুরা, ভেনিস টাউনটা দেখুন জলের ওপরে। আমি এখন সিটি সেন্টার যাচ্ছি ভেনিসের, যেটা এটা একটা আইল্যান্ড বলতে পারেন। তো সেইখানে যাচ্ছি, বোট থেকে রেকর্ডিং করছি এখন। কি অপূর্ব দেখুন। দারুণ লাগছে, একটা আলাদা ফিলিংস।
Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yes. The master group, you're already in the middle of the sea now. Okay?
এখন আমরা মিডল অফ দ্য সিতে রয়েছি।
The Adriatic Sea. Venice is called the jewel. Jewel or the queen of Adriatic.
ভেনিসকে বলা হয় কুইন অফ ইটালি।
So we are here. Out of 118 islands, you have every island. People live there. They travel to the main center where we are going. It's called the Centro Storica. That's the historical center. Trading, finance, tourism, everything happens. And between one street to the other street, it's divided by not by road but by small canals. You'll be able to see them as you look forward, and on to your left and right, you see small canals. You take the gondola, it leads you through the canals. So as soon as you get off, please let's hurry up to the gondola. Then when you come back, I will show you the Gorgeous Palace. No, we will go through that. We will finish Gorgeous Palace. We will go through St. Mark's Basilica and to the gondola. Please do not stop because our boat is scheduled at 11:45. As soon as you get down, let's go. It takes only 15 minutes to go there. Okay? Thank you.